Calling all data scientists. If you're looking for a way to make better business decisions, you won't want to miss the Optimization for Data Scientists training workshop of Cresco International.
Led by optimization experts, this hands-on workshop will introduce you to the fundamentals of mathematical optimization and show you how it can be used in conjunction with machine learning to optimize business decisions.
Cresco International's personalized training approach is designed to cater to data scientists of all skill levels. Whether you're new to mathematical optimization or a seasoned pro, we'll work with you to tailor the training workshop to meet your unique needs. We offer in-person, computer-based, and remote instructor-led training options so you can choose the format that works best for you.
During the workshop, you'll discover the commonalities and differences between mathematical optimization and machine learning, and how they work together to optimize business decisions. You'll learn how to use optimization to solve a variety of problems, including resource allocation, scheduling, and production planning. Through guided exercises and real-world examples, you'll get to practice what you've learned and receive valuable feedback from Cresco International instructors to help you improve your skills.
By the end of the workshop, you'll have the knowledge and tools you need to formulate and code a comprehensive decision optimization application that optimizes business decisions using a machine learning-based forecast. You'll also have a deep understanding of mathematical optimization and its role in analytics, allowing you to apply this knowledge to real-world problems.
Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your data science skills to the next level and become an optimization expert. Enroll in Cresco International's Optimization for Data Scientists training workshop today and start your journey towards success.